Hi everyone! Welcome to the Children's Science Center. My name is Nikita, and today we are inside the lab, inside the Inspiration Hub. So today, we're going to be taking a look at our gear table. You might be wondering, well, what exactly is a gear? Let me show you. This is a gear. A gear is a special kind of wheel with little teeth coming off of it called cogs. And the really cool thing about cogs is that if you connect them together, they turn like this. These two gears are turning because the energy is being transferred. Alright, so let's see that in action. So on this table, I have this gear right here. It's nailed to the table so it won't come off, but it does move. Like that. It rotates, and when it rotates, it makes a really cool sound. So I want to see, can we make the sound maybe louder or quieter? Maybe let's try with another gear. So I have a smaller gear here. And now I'm going to connect the cogs, and I'm going to turn the smaller gear. Okay, it's making kind of a noise. Now if we look closely, we see that this smaller gear is turning a lot faster than this one. Because this gear is smaller, they're transferring the same amount of energy, but it has to spin a lot more to generate that same amount of energy. In contrast, this bigger one has to spin less. It only spins maybe at a fraction of the speed that this one spins at. So the sound is kind of loud, but let's see if we can make it louder. In order to make the sound as loud as possible, we have to get the gear to move as fast as possible. So I'm going to try with our big gear over here. Now, since these gears are the same size, they're going to move at the same speed. So the other one, no matter how fast I turned it, this one would still move slower. But now I can move this one, this big gear, really fast, and this one will move fast too. Let's try it out. I think that's a louder noise. Isn't that really cool? Well, I hope you enjoyed our exhibit at the gear table. Thanks for joining us today.